Milwaukee has seen a tremendous amount of success over the years with our M18 FUEL Blower. We've seen adoption from professional landscapers using it as a supplemental solution for those quick routine cleanups, as well as professionals across the trades using it on the job site. But in our desire to never settle, we challenged the team to develop a solution that would further entrench Milwaukee as a leader in the handheld blower space. And so today, I am incredibly excited to announce the launch of our next generation M18 FUEL Blower. This blower provides a power output of 500 CFM and 120 miles per hour. At over 12 newtons of blowing force, this next generation M18 FUEL Blower is 10% more powerful than the previous generation and offers higher constant power than the primary competitors. Constant power is absolutely critical to the professional landscaper as they demand the same performance as they move from one property to the next. This constant power, combined with longer runtime, allows our blower to deliver more work done over the course of a battery discharge than the competitive set. The M18 FUEL Blower reaches full throttle in under 1 second, reducing ramp-up time and improving productivity. In addition to the power increase, we've also been able to make substantial improvements to sound, delivering a noise level of just 57 decibels, which is up to 25% quieter than the competitive set. Low noise levels allow a user to remain compliant with existing and emerging regulations that we continue to see passed across the country. The blower is designed so that the nozzle naturally points down to the working surface, reducing fatigue. The ambidextrous variable speed sliding lock allows our user to lock into any power level using either hand. The blower nozzle is also attachment capable, allowing you to optimize airflow for specific applications. Our next generation M18 FUEL Blower offers improvements in power, sound, and feature set while maintaining the benefit of being a lightweight, balanced solution. Next up, we'll go ahead and demonstrate those improvements. You'll be able to see the power step up, but also pay close attention to the drastic difference in sound between the two units. As you can see, Milwaukee continues to innovate with the launch of our next generation M18 FUEL Blower. The improvements to power, sound, and feature set make this the go-to solution for those quick routine cleanups.